So how did my house increase in value by £25,000 in just 2 weeks? My name is Glenn, I'm a property investor and a qualified mortgage broker. My channel is all about property and finance, and if you feel this is something you'd be interested in and would like to be a part of the community, it'd be great if you can click the like button or subscribe for regular weekly updates. Now in this video, it's a little bit of an update on my house renovation project, which you can see in the link above on previous videos. But this is a decision that we made to invest into our garden, which has put on average £25,000 on our house within 2 weeks. So I'm going to show you in this video what it looked like before and the changes that we made, what it looks like now. Now if you watch to the end of the video, I will have a breakdown of all of the costs and how quickly that put that money on the house. Okay, so let's have a look and see what we've done. Okay, so we're at the back of the house here. You can see it's just stone and gravel just to cover up the mud. There's the back of the house there. House is lovely, but just it needs a real good tidy up. So we've got the diggers in, workmen, loads of mess. But as you can see, there's a real work in progress here. Slabs started going down. We wanted to landscape the garden to put some raised beds in there. We went for a more expensive sandstone slab as well to try and match the house. The original quote was £10,000 to do the whole work, but it crept up as we added different things. So it had to be levelled. And then we decided to do the path as well alongside the office. And obviously there was damage to the grass as well, which happens where there's workmen and diggers and bits and pieces. We also wanted the sleeper to go along all the way along the edge of the garden to match into steps because the ground wasn't level, so we had to factor all of them things in. Just under that area there was deep roots. There was an extra £200 to get removed. And so yeah, all of the planters are ready to go in. We've now got some furniture. Nice seating area now. It's a south-facing garden as well. You wouldn't believe it on this day. It was a bit cloudy when I filmed this. But the grass, we've had some turf laid down. There's areas that needs to be finished off, reseeded. But in total, this cost came to just over £11,000. That's because we had the extras added. Back of the garden still not finished. That's eventually going to be a play area with climbing frame for my children. And yeah, so that gives you an idea of the work that we had done. So we're really pleased with the overall project finish. There's still some bits to do, cosmetic stuff, some planting, seeding, etc. that you saw, but overall we're really pleased with it. We spent just over £11,000. It's looked to increase the property by nearly £25,000. So if you look at the previous videos, we purchased the property 2 years ago for £610,000. We spent around £250,000 to £260,000 on it, which is a lot of money. But with now doing the work to the garden as well, that's looked to increase the property value by around £25,000, which 2 months ago we had the property valued by a mortgage surveyor at £950,000 in the current state it was in before the garden was done. So we're now looking around the £975,000 mark, and we still have things to finish off inside the property, such as 2 bathrooms and a lot of cosmetic work as well. So our end goal is for the property to be worth in excess of £1 million, around that mark in this current climate, which would be fantastic considering the amount of time, money and effort that we have put in. Initially, we're not looking to sell this property. This is our family home, but it's good to know that in the future that if we do sell the property, there will be a lot of growth within the price and also a lot of equity. So these are a few things that could help you in decision making if you are looking to invest into property for yourself or for the future. So if you're still watching, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more videos like this, and see you in the next video.